Now before I go ahead and screw the window in, I'm going to go ahead and put this bottom sash back in. Just kind of help keep things a little more square. Okay, good time to go ahead and mount the window. Got the top two screws in, now I'm going to put the bottom two in. You want to make sure it's centered up as best you can. With this particular opening, the window frame is really out of square.